whose creation I'm wearing this lovely outfit by Payal Singhal, and I think it's an important night. You have to look your best in front of all these beautiful women, so I just thought this would be quite appropriate.
A lot of performance going to be happening inside, and of course the pageant. So how excited are you? What are you looking at?
Well, I'm quite excited, but I'm excited that I'm hosting a part of the evening tonight. So I'm glad that I get the opportunity. I've been on the other side as a contestant as well many years ago, and now this side as the host for the evening. So I look forward to it, and more importantly, I just hope that all the girls bring on their magic, because this is the only time they have to shine, and they impress the judges. That's the most important thing.
एक तरफ हम वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट की बात करते हैं, फेमिना मिस इंडिया जैसे कॉन्टेस्ट का हिस्सा बनते हैं, और जब देश हार जाता है तो किसी एक्ट्रेस को उसका जिम्मेदार ठहरा देते हैं। क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप लोगों की किस तरह की सोच हो गई? अनुष्का जी मैं बात करूँ,
आई डोंट थिंक मैं लोगों की सोच के बारे में कुछ कहना चाहती हूँ। मैं अपनी सोच के बारे में इतना कहती हूँ दैट आई थिंक कीपिंग you know, everything else aside, a lot of credit goes to the captain of the Indian cricket team. I even tweeted about this, and I think that everybody was very skeptical about the team before they actually left. They thought the squad was not up to the mark, but to be able to take a team like that, which had some phenomenal players and some average players, and to take the team all the way to the semi-final, it's fantastic. And that too, undefeated. I think the team did really well. और लोगों के बारे में जिनको जो बोलना है वो तो बोलेंगे.
Do you think it is unfair on the part of Anushka Sharma blaming her for?
I don't think I want to go that far as to talking about other people, but as far as I'm concerned, I really enjoyed the sport, and I don't think that it's a game. You can't blame anybody else for it.
Yeah, it's almost 14 years Miss Universe or Miss World का खिताब इंडिया को नहीं मिला है. What do you think? Is that difficult for us?
कहाँ छुप रहे हैं?
Well, I think the most important thing is that अगर आप कहें कि अभी तक वो खिताब नहीं मिला, we're hoping that this point is taken all the way inside the big auditorium where the show is happening, and make sure that every year that the girl who's selected is always somebody who has the potential to go international, and hopefully this time they'll keep the Miss Universe and the Miss World crown in their minds as well while they're judging for the Miss India, and may the best girl win. Thank you.